Without more ado, simple, convenient, wireless, powerful, and just a great pen vector from the Defenderr company. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Olga Yakovleva's channel. Why do you need to watch my videos? They will help you choose professional equipment for your hands, and you can also get additional information about permanent makeup and tattoo. You help me when you subscribe and like it, and I can share useful videos with you absolutely free. So right now subscribe to my channel, leave comments and support us. All information in the video subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. The Defenderr company informs that all equipment designed in the USA and is focused to the global market in Europe, CIS and the USA. The Defenderr already presented different tattoo machines, power supply, cartridges and pigments. I'm gonna to start with the packaging. Classic Defenderr box in white and red with the company name and logo and name of our tattoo machine. The box also has information about serial number, a sticker with the color of my pen and the official website. Information about warranty and technical characteristics in English. Wireless battery, the black box with spare details, RCA clip cord, and with charging cable for wireless battery without adapter. RCA connector if you decide to work from a socket. And our vector from the Defenderr. My pen has a silver body. It's a little scratched because I've done a lot of work with it. Length is 123 millimeters. There is a ring for changing the needle stroke. I'm gonna to talk about this further. Let's talk about specifications vector. As always, we start with the machine weight. I'm taking our scales. With an RCA connector, the machine weight is 184 grams. With a wireless battery, on the scales is 188 grams. But a good ratio of the weight and length, no windage. My hand is very comfortably. I work with it a lot and I think the vector has an excellent center of gravity distribution. Tattoo pen has 4 colors: silver, blue, black and dark gray. Price is about $500. Working voltage is from 4 to 12 volts. You can work with permanent makeup, areolas, scars and tattoo. This power allows you work with different techniques and skin. Simple operation with 3 buttons. Hold the middle button 2-3 seconds and turn on or turn off our tattoo machine. The buttons with arrows change the working voltage. On the screen you will see information about the charge, operating voltage and the timer that records the operating time of the equipment. The wireless battery provides 5 hours your work. It depends on your operating voltage that you use while working. 2 wireless batteries in our kit provide about 10 hours your work. Changing the wireless battery is effortless and smooth. Full battery charging takes 2 hours. Grip's diameter is about 30 mm. We have to sterilize the grip. It can be disinfectant, an autoclave, and possibly a high-temperature sterilizer box, but you have to carefully with it because it can cause deformation of the grip. The engine is reliable, protected from overload, short-circuit, and overheating from prolonged operation. Vector has 7 adjustable strokes from short 2.4 to long 4.2 mm. You don't need to buy several machines to find the perfect needle stroke. This feature offers a various option, allowing all artists to adjust the strokes according to different styles, skin and needs, and to achieve more precise and various results. You just twist the ring on the body and the point have to coincide with the number. The short stroke, for example, 2.4, 2.7 or 3 mm, is well for lipstick technique, cover-up and more decorative effects. The hybrid, for example, 3.6, and long stroke, for example, 3.9, 4.2 mm, are great for mini tattoo, air powder pros, watercolor technique, and I more like the long stroke for powder on the eyelids. The needle protrusion is adjusted by turning the grip with locking clicks. This device has some needle stroke, so the needle protrusion will be different. For example, for the stroke of 4.2 mm, I use a needle protrusion of up to 4 mm. For the stroke 3.5 mm, for example, I use a needle protrusion of up to 3 or 3.2 mm. Device compatible with many cartridges and power supplies from famous companies if you decide to work with an RCA connector, but I recommend for the premium tattoo machines only the premium power supplies from 2 amperes, for example from Defenderr company also. I'm turning on my pen. I'm using the Black Swan cartridges from Defenderr and the Angel's Pigment from Defenderr 2. I'm having the needle stroke 3 mm. My working voltage 5.5. Vector has minimal vibration and noise. Let's choose the needle stroke 4.2. Let's go. I want to remind you that depending on the selected needle stroke and even the selected cartridge, the noise and vibration will be slightly lower or slightly higher. I like the drawing and the small pixels. The vector powders beautifully. Let's sum up our video review, guys. Defenderr is simple, convenient, powerful and wireless pen from the Defenderr company. The machine weight is 188 grams, but a good ratio of the weight and length. No windage, and I think the Defenderr has an excellent center of gravity distribution. 2 wireless battery provides about 10 hours your work. Pen has 7 adjustable strokes from short to long. It's maneuverable tattoo machine that can be adjusted for any technique and skin type. You can work with powder prose, hair stroke technique, lipstick, areola, scars, arrows and tattoo. Defenderr is good device for beginners and practicing artists. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.